I just absolutely love the fact that this device can mop and vacuum like literally all my floors of my house without me having to do nothing. The Roborock Q7 is having an amazing deal going on right now, and I feel like this device is so worth it. It literally keeps my house super clean, and I just love that it comes integrated with an app so you can control the device. So if you're not at home and you want your floors vacuum and mopped, you can just like with a few clicks of a buttons in the app, you can do that. I also love that it has an auto empty dock, so you don't have to like empty the device every single night like with other automatic vacuum mop devices. So it is awesome, and of course it's going to charge itself as well in that dock, and it has up to 180 minutes runtime, so it's a ton of time without charging the device itself. And I also love that it works with Alexa, so it's awesome. And it's hands-free up to 7 weeks with the little dock, so it's awesome. You literally have to do nothing for 7 weeks to have your floors cleaned and mopped. And who doesn't love cleaning without doing nothing? So definitely check out this device. I love it. It's so worth it, and it's having an amazing deal going on right now, so check it out.